Silvia Delgado hopes to become a criminal court judge in Mexico's Chihuahua state. Ahead of judicial elections on June 1st, she's perhaps the candidate who has garnered the most headlines. That's because she represented the notorious drug kingpin Joaquín El Chapo Guzmán in 2016. Delgado says she considers her work representing El Chapo to be in line with her professional duties and a job she'd take again.
I want to leave a legacy. What's my legacy? My honest lifestyle, and that they can remember me for the rest of their lives as a professional woman. And a woman who has given all for her clients, and now with the opportunity voters will give me for the community.
Mexican rights group Defensores says Delgado is one of about 20 people vying for positions that have criminal indiscretions, corruption allegations against them, or former associations to cartels. Defensores is one of the organizations, along with judge associations and some lawmakers, that are raising serious concern about a vote that critics say could jeopardize Mexico's rule of law. The elections are part of a reform passed last year that overhauls the country's judicial system. Around 5,000 candidates are up for more than 840 federal positions, including all Supreme Court justices. The controversial judicial overhaul was proposed by leftist former President Andrés Manuel López Obrador and supported by President Claudia Sheinbaum. Both said it would root out corruption in Mexico's flawed judiciary and allow the people to decide who should be a judge. Critics say the reform risks removing checks and balances on the ruling Morena party and allowing organized crime groups greater influence over the judicial system. Morena Party Senate leader Gerardo Fernandez Noroña says focusing on the eligibility of certain candidates is, quote, racist, classist, and a media war aimed at discrediting the vote.
If the people can elect the president of the republic, why can't they elect a judge? It's an inconceivable arrogance, their stance.
Both the ruling coalition and the electoral authority have tried to distance themselves from questions about eligibility, saying it is too late to do anything. Victorious candidates that are proven to be ineligible will have to be removed after the vote, election authorities said. However, any post-election investigations must be completed by June 15th, said the INE Electoral Authority's Claudia Zavala. That's when election results are finalized and positions confirmed.